Hi guys. I was supposed to start this at 5 and I'm starting it 8 minutes late because I'm in Chennai. I reached here today with my family. Um, we're all planning to watch the first day, first show in one of the local theaters in Chennai. So we're all really excited. And it's been very hectic with promotions, with all the madness that's happening around Master. And let's start. So I asked you guys for I put up a post saying you can ask me your questions, anything about the film, about the experience, about the one and only Talapati Vijay, everything, all the experiences I've had. You can ask me the questions on Instagram below my post, and I've gotten a lot of questions, and I've chosen around 20 of them. What was the last day on Master set like? So last day on Master set was, so shooting for Master was like one big college project, like I keep saying. We all were so enthusiastic about making something amazing, making something so fresh and so cool. And at the same time, it was a really young team. So the whole energy on set was young and everybody was excited. There was so much noise, there were so many pranks. So it was a super fun set. And we were very, very sad on the last day. We kept telling Lokesh that why don't you add a few more scenes so that we can, extend the shoot by like 4-5 days. So we were all we were all bummed out when the shoot got over. But we had an amazing wrap-up party on the last day where there was everybody. There was Talapati Vijay sir, Vijay Sethupathi sir, Lokesh, the whole cast, Shantanu, Gauri, Anirudh, everybody was there. And we had this amazing party to celebrate the end of Master shoot, which was a mad party. It went on till like some 3 a.m. in the morning. Rom-com movie or action film with Talapati, which one would you like to do? I would love to do a rom-com film with Vijay sir. I think he's great. We're all fans of his on-screen romance. We're all fans of his romantic songs, and I would love to, do a film with him which has a much stronger love story happening. And I would also love to do an action film with him because I'm very greedy when it comes to my work. I would love to do an action film with him where even the female actor hopefully has, some cool action sequences. I mean, isn't it high time that even, directors start writing cool action sequences for female actors? Like how in Hollywood they've had Kill Bill, which is one of my all-time favorite films, by the way, by Tarantino. I recently watched this really nice show called Watchmen, which again had such amazing, characters for women who were doing such cool action sequences. So I think even India needs that. If you could play any other character in Master, who would it be? Whatever I heard about Vijay Sethupathi sir's character sounds pretty, sounds like a fun character to play as an actor. He's got a very badass role. He's got some really cool lines. He's got some crazy action sequences. So yeah, I would pick Vijay Sethupathi sir's character if I could play some other character. I think how different was it working with Lokesh compared to other people? And working with every director, every filmmaker is different. They all have a different personality. They all have a different idea creatively of what they want to do. And as a result, your dynamic with each and every one of them is different. But with Lokesh, I think of all the directors I've worked with, I think Lokesh is the one I got along with the most as a friend. He's become a good friend now. He's somebody I can confide in, I can take help from. I ask him for his opinion when it comes to when I'm offered other scripts. I ask him, what he like. I seek his professional opinion. So we've come a long way from our day one. We in fact Lokesh and we didn't speak for the first 1 month of shoot. Like, we hardly spoke. He would come and tell me, Malavika, do this scene like this, deliver this dialogue like this, but we never really hung out. And then slowly we started getting to know each other. Otherwise, Lokesh is always with his boys. He's always got this gang of boys, all his assistants, his associates. It's yeah. And he's very shy. He claims to be shy. He's not actually shy. He pretends to be shy around girls. But he opened up to me eventually. Say one best compliment given to you by Talapati Vijay sir. To you, okay. One best compliment given to me by Talapati Vijay sir. Vijay sir is very sweet. He's always giving compliments, always encouraging everybody, especially new people. The best compliment he's given me has been that he said I have this really nice, lovely South Indian face, and he thinks that I'll do really, really well in Tamil cinema. So I hope he's right. Master movie clips got leaked. What is your opinion? So this happened yesterday, where I heard from the team that a few clips from Master got leaked. And I mean, it's very disheartening. It's very uncool that somebody did that. So much of hard work, so much of time, energy of not just the actors, the director, but there is such a large team that makes a movie. It's never just the core team, right? Like, you can't make a movie without the involvement of everybody. And it's like the hard work of some 200, 300 people. It's so much time we've all invested, each and every single person, that it's not okay that somebody just for enjoyment decides to leak something and take away from the, like, you want people to go to the theater, you want them to experience it on the big screen, with that music, with that excitement of watching something for the first time. You don't want them to see these clips on the small screen and know what they're in store for. So it's really annoying that happened, but I mean, what can we do? What is the best quality of Talapati Vijay? Vijay sir, he only has positive qualities. Is there any negative quality of his? Nothing I've seen so far, at least. Yeah, he's got. But I think the one I like best is that he's always a man of his words. If he says something, he will do it. Even if it's the smallest of thing that he'll tell you, he will remember it later and he'll do it. Whereas everybody else, they'll say things in the moment. I mean, even I do that all the, like all of us tend to do that, right? Even if a friend is texting us and asking, like, if a friend texts you and asks you, can we catch up next week? We'll be like, yeah, sure, let's do it. Then later we'll forget, or we'll get busy, or we won't give it enough priority. But with Vijay sir, I've seen that if he says yes to something, then it's a yes. Like, he's a man of few words, but he really sticks to what he says, which, I mean, I've never seen anybody who's more a man of his words than Vijay sir is, and I admire him so much for that quality. Yeah, carry this pretty diary around. The first part of it is me learning my dialogues. All my dialogues I learn here. This is all the preparing for Dhanush sir's film. I write and learn all my dialogues. And the backside of the diary is for all the other stuff. So I've been carrying this around. And I lost my pen's cap, so I have to buy a new pen now. Okay, random trivia you didn't need to know, sorry. But I'm super excited that Master is releasing tomorrow. It's a film we made with a lot of love. We had a great time making this film, and this is not something you can say for every movie, You have different experiences with every movie. um, Even when I've done promotions previously and I've had to talk about a movie, it's not come this much from the heart because I've never really enjoyed like working on every film necessarily this much. But this experience has been great. It's been so much fun. I have met some amazing people, worked with some amazingly talented people, and I'm going to be watching the first show with the audience um, in a theater in Chennai, secretly, because otherwise it will just distract the audience. Me and my team will be watching it, and I'm still seeing all the hearts. Thank you so much for all the love. Uh, thank you. All my friends are also commenting with hearts and all, guys. I'll reply to you on private messages. Okay, guys, it was super fun. I am always so apprehensive about going live because I feel like it's like too many people watching just makes me uncomfortable. It's like too much for me to handle. But this has been comfortable, and thank you for making me feel so loved. Thank you, Ish. I can see your comment saying big fan. Thank you. Okay. So this was fun, and we'll do this again together very, very soon. Hopefully, after the success of Master and after it's a blockbuster hit, we shall do this again very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, maintain your social distance while going to theaters. Please wear a mask. Please sanitize your hands as often as possible. Let's do this responsibly. Let's think about our parents. Let's think about everybody, and let's try doing this as responsibly as we can in the current situation.